Are you confused about what colors to use when you start a painting? Get a color wheel and it will become your best friend. You can buy them anywhere. I think even Walmart carries them. And it'll become your handy reference for deciding 3 to 5 colors that you want to use in your painting. And the important thing to know is that the colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, those are friends with each other. It's okay to use those. And then if you're planning your painting, it's good to use a range of those adjacent colors and then pick one color opposite the color wheel for accents. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm laying down some yellow here, and I'm just going to go ahead and follow the color wheel, starting with yellow and then into yellow-green. Add a little green, and I'm picking up a cool green color. That is a Daniel Smith color called Cascade Green. It's really nice. And then from there I'll go into a blue color, ultramarine blue. And so you can safely use these colors together in your painting, and it's going to have a lot of color harmony. Then right across from those colors on the color wheel is red. And you can see how that red jumps out when it's put against those other colors. So here's how I would use it in a painting, and I'm going to do just a very quick little sketch. I'm going to do a tree and some green land and a barn. So I'm doing my silly little tree here with some yellow and the light green. Didn't even draw it, I'm just adding it in to show you how this would work. So I'm getting my tree in there, going to add some blue and probably some green to that tree just to darken it up a bit. You can practice these yourself just on scratch paper, and I encourage you to do that each time you start a painting. When you're deciding what colors to use, put them on a piece of paper and see how they play together. Here I'm darkening up the tree with a little bit of the Cascade Green, softening a few edges. Then after I soften those edges, I'll get ready to add in my accent color with the object that's going to be the focus of the painting. In this little painting, I'm going to have a barn as my focal point, and I'm going to make it a red barn, and I'm just going to make a little shape that looks like a barn. And as you start to lay in this red color, you can already see how it jumps right out in the picture compared to the other colors, and that's the value of using complementary colors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you'd like to know more about color or other topics, leave a note in the comments below. Thanks for watching.